अस्सलामुअलैकुम मोअज़्ज़िज़ नाज़रीन, एशियन टीवी न्यूज़ में आप तमाम का खैर मक़दम है। बतारीख 19 जुलाई को शिवापुरी कॉलोनी में नारसिंगी म्यूनसिपलिटी के म्यूनसिपल कमिश्नर श्री सत्या बाबू की निगरानी में कॉलोनी एसोसिएशन मेंबर्स, जिसमें कॉलोनी के सदर डॉक्टर थारी, सेक्रेटरी वेंकटेश्वर रेड्डी, डेवलपर्स नागार्जुना रेड्डी, टी.एस. आनंद रेड्डी के अलावा ईसी मेंबर्स पवन रेड्डी, श्रीनिवास रेड्डी, महेश्वर रेड्डी, बीजी रेड्डी, प्रभाकर रंगारेड्डी और दीगर फैमिली मेंबर्स ने मिलकर तमाम कॉलोनी में पौधे लगवाए। इस प्लांटेशन प्रोग्राम के तहत तकरीबन 800 पौधे इस बारिश के मौसम में सारी कॉलोनी में लगाए जाएंगे। इस मौके पर कॉलोनी के सदर ने नारसिंगी म्यूनसिपल कमिश्नर सत्या बाबू की शालपोशी की और उन्हें गुलदस्ता भी पेश किया। आइए देखते हैं इस प्लांटेशन प्रोग्राम की चंद झलकियां और जानते हैं शिवापुरी कॉलोनी से जुड़ी मजीद तफसीलात। पेश है रिपोर्टर बीजी रेड्डी की कैमरामैन सैयद मुश्तबा के साथ एशियन टीवी न्यूज़ के लिए ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट। मजीद ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से बाखबर रहने के लिए एशियन टीवी न्यूज़ को यूट्यूब पर ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हमारी हर लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आपको बराबर मिलती रहे।
Today we had a visit with the Narsingi Municipal Commissioner. We had invited him to plant the first tree which we have planted today, and now subsequently we'll be undertaking the entire plantation in the colony. We'll be planting around 800 trees during this rainy season. Like already as communicated to you through our WhatsApp group, the various activities which we had undertaken till now. Just to briefly summarize what all activities we had done till now. The first activity was with regard to the extension of the drain lines and completion of drain lines wherever it had to be completed. And then the next activity was further drilling of the bore well. We have increased the depth from 320 feet to 600 feet and installed a new bore motor. And now we have complete water supply which will be throughout the colony. And the next thing we had undertaken was repair of water lines wherever feasible. And in fact, in some areas, we have to undertake fresh laying of fresh water lines. And this bore will be more than sufficient for us for undertaking the watering of the plants, the watering of the lawn area, which we intend to complete very shortly. And then subsequent to that, we have undertaken the fencing along the Mosi, that is around 800 feet, 800 running feet. And now the next thing which we are undertaking is we are planting around 300 trees along the Mosi border. There will be a complete green belt along the Mosi. And then after that, we will be undertaking avenue plantation throughout the colony. So the total plants which will be planted during this rainy season will be 800 plants. And apart from that, the area in front of the office, we are standing in front of the office right now. The area in front of the office, which will be around 1 acre, I suppose, entire lawns will be developed over here with different types of shrubs and bushes being set up, and we'll be having a walking track throughout the park area. So within the next 3-4 months, we intend to complete development of the entire park area. And this will be a fully functional, fully usable park. And in fact, members, if they intend to have any get together, whether it is residents or plot owners, they can use this area for any small get togethers which they intend to have. And apart from this, another major work which we had completed is like street lighting of the entire colony. And in fact, we have discussed with regard to the payment of the bill, the electricity bill and all that, which normally the municipality does. And in fact, the commissioner has given a very solid assurance to us that he will definitely look into it, and very shortly the payment of this bill will be undertaken by the municipality, the electricity bill and all that. Apart from that, we had made a representation for providing of sweeper and all that for the entire colony, at least once a week or like whichever way it is possible for them. He said he will definitely look into it. Now the major thing is, like, most of the members have come forward, they have been very supportive, but still some of the members have to make certain payments with regard to their old maintenance dues and even the legal dues and all that. So we request everyone to support us when you have a committee which is very enthusiastic and which is determined to complete each and every one of these activities and take up new initiatives, we expect you people to at least support us by clearing your dues, whether it is maintenance or legal, to support us in our endeavors to complete whatever activities we have taken up, and take up any further activities which are required for the betterment of the colony and for the benefit of all the members of Shivapuri. Thank you.
Concluding remarks, there have been some more activities perhaps not illustrated. There was the construction towards the extreme end near my house, near our house. There was always stagnation of water during rainy season, so we have now constructed a culvert, like whenever there is excessive rain coming through the drain, it will go into the Musi culvert and there will be no stagnation of water. The next project which we are also going to undertake is in near the gate number 1, where also when there is excessive rain, there's flooding of the entire rainwater into the colony. So that will also be a major stuff which is going to go on. Now, as rightly reflected by Mr. Venkateshwar Reddy Garu, all these activities are possible because of the dues being paid by the maintenance fees, which some of you have cleared. But it'd be really good if every member takes it that this Shivapuri belongs to them and they belong to this colony, to this association. If we are able to clear up the dues, and I'm sure Mr. Venkateshwar Reddy Garu has already individually sent the PDF format of each one's dues, whatever they owe or whatever they have paid. If you kindly look into it and clear the dues, it will be very good. At this juncture, I also wish to take the opportunity to thank Mr. Pavan Reddy Garu and Mr. Srinivas Reddy Garu, who relentlessly sacrifice their time, space and efforts to see to it that they take this, because they have the passion to develop this association and also the colony. They have been doing a wonderful job. We are thankful to them and we wish that they continue to do that same work in future. So with this in view, as you can see, all the executive members here, they are passionate about doing something for the development of the society. And this is possible only with you people clearing the dues and seeing to it that we are able to fulfill, if not fully the dreams, part of the dreams, to make this what we call as a Go Green colony. Thank you very much.
I accept our request to give house numbers to all the rooms constructed in our plots. So whoever is constructed rooms in our Shivapuri colony are requested to submit all the documents, your sale deeds, EC and photograph of your room and that plot. Then he assured us to give house numbers, which will be very useful and which will be very safe for us to take it. And also whoever wants to construct new constructions, he assured to give all the permissions for whatever the building as per their building norms. So I request all the people to please do take the permissions also, because మన అసోసియేషన్ వాళ్ళు ఇంత ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెడుతున్నారు, కమిషనర్ని పిలిచారు, ఇదంతా చేసేది మన కోసం, మన అందరి కోసం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ టు ఆల్ టు సేఫ్ గార్డ్ అవర్ ప్లాట్స్ బై టేకింగ్ హౌస్ నంబర్స్. ఎవరైతే ప్లాట్స్లో రూములు కట్టారో వాళ్ళందరికీ హౌస్ నంబర్స్ ఇంతవరకు ఇవ్వడానికి దే రెఫ్యూజ్ టు గివ్. బట్ నౌ ఇవాళ వచ్చిన తర్వాత రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత హీ అష్యూర్డ్ అస్. వాళ్ళ మధు అని ఒక అతను ఉంటే ఆయనకు అఫీషియల్కి ఇన్స్ట్రక్ట్ కూడా చేశాడు, ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ఆల్ ద అప్లికేషన్స్ అండ్ గివ్ హౌస్ నంబర్స్. సో విచ్ విల్ రియల్లీ గివ్ అస్ అంటే ప్రొటెక్షన్ టు అవర్ ప్లాట్స్ అండ్ హౌసెస్. కొత్త బిల్డింగ్ పర్మిషన్స్ కూడా అష్యూర్డ్ అస్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ హ్యాజల్స్, వితౌట్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. మనం సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే అన్ని డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఇస్తే ఈ అష్యూర్ టు గివ్ అస్ ద హౌస్ నంబర్స్ ఆల్సో, అంటే బిల్డింగ్ పర్మిషన్స్, న్యూ బిల్డింగ్. సో కొత్త రూల్స్ వచ్చే వరకు మధుసూదన్ రెడ్డి టీపీఏ he wanted to అదే ఆయనకి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ టు ప్లీజ్ టేక్ హౌస్ నంబర్స్ హూ ఎవర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టెడ్ ద రూమ్స్, అండ్ మిగతా వాళ్ళు న్యూ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ కోసం పర్మిషన్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇంత ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టింది, డోంట్ మేక్ ఇట్ ఎ వేస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.